In the mid-1960s, the United States was undergoing a profound cultural shift. Social and political movements were challenging long-held norms and advocating for changes in various aspects of society. One area that experienced significant controversy and legal battles was reproductive rights. Among the pivotal cases during this period was Griswold v. Connecticut, a case that would shape the landscape of reproductive rights in America for years to come. Griswold v. Connecticut was rooted in a state law that banned the use of contraceptives, even for married couples. The law was based on the Comstock Act of 1873, which criminalized the distribution and use of contraceptives and obscene materials. Estelle Griswold, the executive director of the Planned Parenthood League of Connecticut, along with Dr. C. Lee Buxton, challenged the constitutionality of the law. The case made its way to the Supreme Court, where it was argued that the Connecticut law violated the right to privacy within marriage, which the petitioners believed was implicitly protected by the First, Third, Fourth, and Ninth Amendments. The Supreme Court's decision would ultimately establish a fundamental right to privacy in the context of marital relations. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Griswold and Buxton, asserting that the Connecticut law violated the right to marital privacy. The court recognized that such privacy was protected by the Constitution, although not explicitly stated. They argued that a zone of privacy emanated from various constitutional guarantees and that the right to privacy was firmly grounded in several amendments. This decision paved the way for future reproductive rights cases and set an important precedent. The court's ruling acknowledged that the Constitution does not expressly enumerate a right to privacy, but that such a right is inherent in the concept of ordered liberty. It shifted the focus on individual autonomy and the protection of personal decisions within the realm of privacy. Although Griswold v. Connecticut specifically addressed contraception within marriage, its implications reached far beyond that scope. The recognition of a constitutional right to privacy significantly influenced subsequent cases related to reproductive rights, including the landmark Roe v. Wade decision in 1973, which legalized abortion in the United States. Griswold v. Connecticut marked a turning point in the fight for reproductive rights and established a vital legal precedent. It laid the foundation for recognizing an individual's right to make personal decisions about their reproductive health, free from unwarranted governmental intrusion. The case served as a catalyst for subsequent legal battles and ongoing debates regarding reproductive autonomy, privacy, and the limits of government power.